Children, now see the second one, flesh eating animals. So these are carnivorous. These are carnivorous animals. So what are carnivorous animals? The animals which eat flesh of other animals are called carnivorous animals. Some animals eat other animals. These are flesh eating animals. Okay, some animals eat other animals. These are called flesh eating animals. For example, if you take tiger eat the other animal like deer. Okay, so some animals are there, those animals will only depend on the flesh of other animals. Those are considered as carnivorous animals. Simply they are called carnivores. These are called carnivores. These are called carnivores. They do not eat plants. So this lion, this tiger, they are carnivores. They do not eat plants. They depend on the flesh of other animals. Lions, examples, lions, tigers, snakes, wolves. So these animals like lions, tigers, snakes, wolves, these animals eat the flesh of other animals and they won't eat the plant and its products. So here this is the second type. Flesh eating animals are called carnivorous animals. These animals depend on the flesh of other animals. They eat only the flesh, they won't eat the plant and its products. Example, lions, tigers, snakes, wolves, etc. Okay. Now see the third one. So far we have seen the animals which eat only plant and its products. Those are called herbivores. And second type is also there. Those eat only the flesh of other animals. Those are carnivores. Now see the third one. The animals which eat both plant and flesh of other animals are called omnivorous animals. These animals eat the plant products and the flesh of other animals also. So these are called as omnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals. Some animals eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals. These animals are called omnivorous animals or omnivores. Omni means both. Omni means both. Children, as I told you already, this is the third type of animals. So these type of animals will eat both the plants and flesh of other animals, which are called as omnivorous animals. Omni means both. Both means they eat plants and animals. That means flesh of other animals. Right. So some examples of that both eat. They eat both plants and animals. Some animals that eat both are bears. What is this, children? Bears. Children, do you know bears? Yes. Jackals, cats, dogs. Okay. So here bears, jackals, cats, dogs. Children, if you observe dog eat the flesh of animal, at the same time dog eat the biscuits also. It's a plant product. That means it's a omnivore. Cat is also omnivore. Jackal is also omnivore. Bears are also omnivore. And human beings are also omnivores. Humans also eat meat, fish, egg. So do you like eating the meat, children? Yes. Egg, fish. These are non-veg. And we also eat vegetables, fruits, and nuts. So we are called omnivores. So humans are omnivores. Monkeys are omnivores by nature. This is a fact finder. Monkeys are Omnivores, they eat both the plant products and flesh of other animals. They eat a wide variety of food from flowers, leaves and fruit to insects and small frogs. So they eat a wide variety of food from the flowers, leaves and fruits to insects and small frogs also. That is why monkeys come under omnivores. Okay. Children, so far we have seen different body coverings like feathers, hair, fur, scales in different types of animals. And recently I told you about the different eating habits like carnivores, herbivores and omnivores. Now it is the third one, different ways of breathing. Animals, all the animals breathe in different ways. Can you swim under water, children? Yes. It is wonderful to swim under water like a fish. But unlike a fish, you must soon return to the surface to fill your lungs with air. We can't stay inside the water. We can swim inside the water for some time only, but fish lives inside the water. Okay, it won't come out. But what you people will do, you come to the surface, again you will take the breath and you fill the air in the lungs, again you go down. But fish is not like that. Okay, so what makes the difference? So without air, you will die in few minutes. Yes, without air, the human beings die in few minutes. Air contains the gas which is called oxygen. Air contains the gas which is called oxygen, which your body needs to burn your food to release energy. This oxygen is required by your body to break the food, to release energy. That is why oxygen is useful. Then how we can take the oxygen? How you can take the oxygen, children? With the help of your nose. With the help of your nose. So using oxygen, burning the food to release energy, this process is called respiration. What is this process, children? Respiration. Breakdown of food or burning of the food with the help of oxygen to release energy is called respiration. For this, what is the gas that is required? Oxygen. Okay. Humans and horses breathe in air through their nose and mouth. So we take the oxygen with the help of nose. Yes, when we close your nose, we will open our mouth. So that means that oxygen is present in the air. That air enters into our lungs either through the mouth or through the nose. Not only human, even horses also. Air enters the lungs where oxygen is passed into the blood. So here, air enters the lungs. So from the nose, the oxygen enters into the lungs and finally to the blood. Now this blood supplies this oxygen to each and every part of our body. The next one here, see, the harder we work, the more oxygen we need. When you do a strenuous exercise or when you do a hard work, okay, what you will require? More oxygen. Now take page number 72. One activity is there. How fast do you breathe? How fast do you breathe? Let us see. Okay. Let's see. How fast do you breathe? For this a small activity, children. Take page number 72. Sit quietly. Don't make any noise. Just sit quietly. Put your hand on your chest. So what you have to do? Put your hand on the chest. Sit quietly. Like this you can keep. Feel how your chest rises and falls as you breathe in and out. So when you keep quietly and you keep your hand on the chest, so your chest will rises up and falls down. Count the number of times you breathe in and breathe out in 1 minute. You just keep one watch and count number of times, like this you do for 1 minute, how many times you are going to breathe. Now run as fast as you can on the spot for 30 seconds. So this is the first case. You measured your breathing rate when you have calmed down. Next case is, what you have to do, children? Yes, you have to run on the spot for how many seconds? 30 seconds. Are you breathing faster and more deeply? Yes, this is a common observation. When you will come to your house quickly by running, or when you arrive to the classroom, okay, very fast. Yes, you can observe the breath rating is very fast and you have to take the air more deeply. So here, count the number of times you breathe in 1 minute now. So there are two cases. In the first case, you are in the same position, you are at rest. In the second case, you are running. So in the two cases, you feel that there is a difference in the breathing. In the first case, the breathing count is measured with the help of the watch. So that is normal. In the second case, after running, you have again counted the number of breaths per minute. It is very fast. That means the rate of breathing increases per minute. So that is the activity. Record your results in the table. So the table is there, children. Activity. Next, number of breaths. Number of breaths in 1 minute. Number of breaths in 1 minute. First one is rest. Count the number of beats. Running. Count the number of breaths. What did you observe? You observe that when you are running, after running, you will breathe more times per minute than you are in rest. Right? This is the activity. From this activity, it is very clear that rate of breathing increases when you are working or when you are running or when you are doing any powerful exercise. Okay.